Chimichurri chicken thighs are a great way to use leftover chimichurri sauce. Paired with potatoes, skinless or skin-on chimichurri chicken thighs, or in my case, chicken leg quarters, is an easy and delicious baked chicken recipe. If you want to learn how to make the best chimichurri chicken thighs, keep watching. So here's my chicken with chimichurri. I took a chicken leg quarter. The thigh did not have skin, but the leg does have skin. So I wanted to show you what it looks like if you use skin or skinless chicken. I had some leftover green chimichurri, and so what I did is I just took a chicken leg quarter and emptied out most of the leftover green chimichurri into this bag with the chicken leg quarter, along with a little bit of extra vinegar to make it a little bit runnier. I have this pan lined with foil and a small potato, so that not only will I have a side dish, but also so that the chicken will be sitting out of the juices so it will crisp up more. So all I'm going to do is take the chicken, shake off most of the excess chimichurri, but not all. On top right there. It doesn't have any sockets in there. Now I'm just going to cover with foil and put into a 350 degree oven. Very simple chimichurri chicken. I'm not going to add any extra salt because the chimichurri sauce already has salt. I'm going to cover this and cook it at 350 to start off with. So my chimichurri chicken is done. It was in the oven at 350, covered for half an hour, then 400, covered for half an hour, and then 400 uncovered for 15 minutes. And I turned off the oven and left it in there because life happened and I had to go do something else. That's okay. See, the potatoes are nice and roasted. Chicken is done. Chimichurri chicken with potato. Whether you use chicken thighs or chicken leg quarters, chimichurri chicken is delicious. But honestly, the star of the show were the potatoes. They were much better than I thought that they were going to be. So if you make my chimichurri sauce recipe and you have a lot left over, buy some chicken thighs or chicken leg quarters and potatoes. They're really cheap and really good in this recipe. Like I said, this is a great way to make use of leftover chimichurri sauce. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, for more information about my recipes, please visit my website parnellthechef.com and follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye.